Meow, meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and we're doing this kitty rubbing on the floor. So I got it sped up to 3 times the speed, and I'm voicing over here, just getting those shapes and angles in, and correcting as I go. Moving things over a little if I have to, and not worrying about all those extra lines or the overlap at this stage, because that kind of stuff just fades away into the background as tone. Slowing down a bit here to get those ears in the right place. And as you'll see, I do move the ears over later. It's a start. Get rid of some of those lines. The only time I really erase at this stage is if things are in the way, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Yep, moving the ears a bit up. Yeah, that one's got to go up a little bit more. Just once you get the general shapes, and you can compare and see if they fit together properly, and if not, you can change things a little before you start putting the really dark lines down, because they're harder to erase. And the tail did kind of go straight up, but I changed it so it kind of led the eye back into the cat. Led the viewer's eye back to the focal point. Now I'm slowing down a bit and darkening up some of the lines that I want to keep, that I like. And still making corrections as I go. You got to find your own way. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. We all have our own style, and you just got to go with that. That muzzle is kind of how I shape the muzzle. Get the spot for the mouth and the nose. And get the ears in there. And now some lines for where the eyes are going to go. Just feeling it out as I go. Just a suggestion of toe lines. Just aiming for real rhythm and flow throughout the drawing. And character. Character and soul is what I aim for most of all. And the rhythm and flow really helps create that. Don't hesitate to turn your page if you can get a better angle to draw from. Get some life in there with some eyes. And this is faster. This is 9 times the speed here. It has been for a short time. Just finish this drawing up. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, or tell me about yourself or your cat, or where you live in this big world. And we'll ground a kitty with a bit of shading on the bottom. Wiggle lines here and there. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.